birds are going to climb up to the higher surface. Make sure they're on the higher surface by keeping your elbow in and your hand up. Okay? It might take a little problem with you guys because you've got a bigger bird on your fist, so he's going to weigh you down a little bit. Alright? Okay? You think it's very friendly. Oh my God. Not like that.
Oh, you said you liked it.
It's heavy. Shall I leave it there a little bit longer? We'll see how long you can go, yeah? It's all on camera as well. So you can stand there and be really strong. Okay, this is one way of going to the gym, guys, is by doing a bit of weightlifting. The biggest problem is that it's all off of one hand. That's alright. Everything's got to go at some point.
That just put me off it.
It's fine. It didn't hit him. Still got it.
You okay? Getting heavy? Your arm shaking yet?
That's bad.